Hi, I'm Maurice and welcome to Caplena. Are you looking for a solution to turn your customer feedback and reviews into real insights? Well, you're in luck. Caplena is the only AI text analysis solution optimized for consultancies. Just like you, one of the top 3 strategy consulting companies came to us 2 years ago with a clear-cut problem. They had loads of customer data on their hands, but were struggling to create real insights from that data in an efficient manner. By using Caplena, they have really been able to revolutionize that part of their due diligence process and lift up their market and competitor analysis to the next level. Are you working in strategy, CX, market analytics, or PE? Or are you simply looking for a way to free yourself or your team from the effort of text analysis? Well, then stay with me and learn how to cut that process from days to minutes while still unearthing richer insights. But first, let's take a step back. Why should we even bother with analyzing text comments? Well, it turns out that customer feedback is an invaluable source of unbiased insights, which you can use to challenge your working hypotheses or to fortify your storyline. It's perfectly suited to augment competitor or market analyses by either letting you identify trends or explain trends that you have identified through other KPIs. But text analytics is known to be time-consuming and expensive. So what's the business case here? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Caplena is optimized for both efficiency and quality. First of all, pull reviews from various review sites through a simple-to-use web interface. And do that not only for yourself, but also for your client and even their competitors. Second, sift through thousands of rows of data and categorize them with just a few clicks. Then create beautiful charts, meaningful analyses, and interactive dashboards which you can share with your clients. And finally, you are able to do all that without relying on data science teams or external solution providers. In summary, use this tool to showcase your tech savviness towards your clients and enable your teams to give more valuable advice to their clients and thus creating more opportunities for you. What's next? Get started today and try Caplena for free. Experience yourself how easy it is to analyze text and deliver mesmerizing results.